My name is Rusty K.
Yes, sir.
I'm a freelancer.
Yes, sir.
You touched on a very important topic when you were answering the brethren over there.
Yes.
Incarceration. Would you please shed some light on what really transpired? Because a lot of theories have been put through regarding that. We just put it to rest today.
It's a long story. And if we keep talking about it, we may never leave here today. We made us write a book, a film, a documentary about it. But I could tell you this. We see Mandela rise from there. We see Malcolm X rise from there. Marcus Garvey get a taste of it. Martin Luther King, maybe. With some other great African leaders have been down there, and we see the impact that they have on the world, returning to the free world, Gandhi, all of them. So I put myself in that position and know that I turn the negative around and get positive. Really, great men, great artists, great leaders go into prison. It never make for the dogs, it make for human beings. That means, you understand? And if you make a mistake, you can drive your car, hit down somebody can lie on you. You know what I mean? Somebody can faint and drop down beside you and they say that you killed him. So just be careful, anything can happen, and I wish the best for these brothers. And everywhere I go, I think Zebra is out now, so he's out of the picture. Everywhere I go, it's a part of my show to sing about Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel whenever I sing True Reflections. And it's going to be a part of my show this weekend. And, you know, I'm going to ask everybody just the same to give me a moment for Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel, because there was a moment that everybody was singing, say, Jah Cure must be free, and I have to return that genuinely for Buju Banton, because Buju Banton, fortunately, is the first human being to pay my lawyer the first money on my case before I went to prison. Because at the time, Buju was my best friend. And he drove all the way for miles to the side of Jamaica where my case was happening and come to see the lawyer and look for me, you know. So Buju Banton is a brother for life. Love Mark Murray anywhere in the world he is right now. So,
respect you.
Yes. Freedom to Buju and Vybz Kartel every day.
Free Buju.
Maybe, can you just give us an a cappella version of one of your songs?
Well, why sing a cappella when you have a show to come get? Oh, this is me talking. This is the real me. Hello.
Bring it down. Just a little bit.
Yeah?
Just a little bit.
All right. Before I leave, feel me again. Capture the moment so it never ends. Before I leave, show me again. Act like you never wanted to end.
Yes, sir. My first encounter with the name Jah Cure was during the campaign of the Free Jah Cure.
Yes.
Before the Free Jah Cure, I didn't know about any Jah Cure song.
Yes.
What is it that you have done to then have so many people singing the song Free Jah Cure and so many artists wanting you to come out of the incarceration? Can you please just shed light so that we know what you had done before in terms of the music and the journey that you're on?
Well, before I was incarcerated, people see me as one of the uprising artists, and I was able to still make the rise, but at a further date. Because when I got into trouble at the time, I was just touring with Barry Salmon and opening shows for him in Europe, in England, and was destined to go to America. And at the time, I just got like a work permit for 22 shows with Barry, and I couldn't make it because I was in jail. So, you know, I did release a couple of songs already, like Tread in the Valley, Jaja Bless Me, and Divide and Rule, and them kind of songs. Yeah, so I did have quite a 2-album undercover putting down. I was just waiting to get discovered, and at a moment when I was gonna make that break, I make a slide, and I get, you know, I slip. So I was able to rise back many years after, but more powerful than how I went in. So I looked into these things and said, you know, Jah have a plan for me. And all the artists that they saw the mission before it was too late, just like when Mandela was in prison. almost every Jamaican sing about it. If y'all remember, anybody in here that is 35, 40, in that age group, you can remember back in the days, everybody was Free Mandela, Mr. Free Mandela. Yeah, I can remember some of those Jamaican songs, and everybody was doing the topic. So it was just one of them situations. Everybody think that Jah Cure deserved to be out there. And now I'm out here, they can see what I'm doing, and there's much more for me to do. And it just began, you know? So at least those people, I'll make them proud, and they can see the reason why everybody was saying that Jah Cure should be free, because they believe in me and know that my work is good. And my work is a living testimony